That's a very volatile trading action happening on ICICI Bank because the second quarter numbers are out. But in line with how other private sector banks have also managed to put a good show, there's a big beat on the net profit front, as well as the asset quality seem to have improved. That's a 2352 number versus a poll of 2100. So a good 250 crore kind of beat on the net profit front. Compare it YOY, that is, there is a big growth. So they have clearly managed to have good growth on the profit front and also manage the expectations well. That's the NII number for you, 4,040 crore versus 3,960. Poll, again, the NII growth also has been on the higher side. Any asset quality numbers which, Awan, you're gathering?
Well, 3.08% in terms of the gross NPAs. That's the only number that we have with us at hand. And remember, we were expecting it to be fairly stable on a sequential basis. And yes, it is. In fact, there's been an improvement. So versus 3.23%, if the asset quality last quarter, you can see a good improvement. Remember, we were working into the numbers, watching out clearly for the asset quality trends, the net interest margins, which were expected to be largely stable. But bang on with the word that was, going on the street also of the numbers. So yes, they have put in a good set of numbers. 2352 is what they've clocked in, and yes, it's been a good improvement in asset quality.
So I want three numbers just to, get it again on the screen. The three key important numbers have been the NPAs. This is the net NPA number, 0.85 versus 0.82. So slight increase in the net NPA number, but the gross NPA number has gone down. NI growth is very healthy. The profit growth has been ahead of, that's the domestic net interest margins also come 3.65 versus 3.63. Okay, so 4 out of 5 key matrices indicate at a strong number, and it will go down as a good number compared to how some of its peers have actually reported.